Good morning everyone. Hope you all will be doing fine. Actually, I wanted to make a small video and share with you. One small concept it came to my mind. I thought of sharing to all of you. So today I will write something and discuss with you. Please go through the video completely, and if you feel comfortable, you can share with your friends and relatives. And in case any doubt, you can call me and ask about it. So I'll write here and discuss. See, as I mentioned here, job or employment. Why we go for job? The question will come to your mind, why we are going for job or why we are earning. So two things will come to our mind. First is our day-to-day expenses, our survival and day-to-day expenses. Second is savings. So day-to-day expenses, we know our regular habits and all, we have to spend money. And savings. And second question will come to our mind, why savings? So when it will come to our mind, why savings, then in savings the answer will come like this: future plan. I repeat, future plan. Saving means we are doing it for future plans. So it is planned. Okay, it is planned. Planned means in future we may get a house. We are saving for car. We are saving for our children's education. We are saving for our children's marriage. And we are saving for our retirement. So we are saving from our income. We are saving for house, we are saving for car, we are saving for our children's education, we are saving for our children's marriage, and we are saving for our retirement. So this is all the savings which you are planning. When we are earning, that time itself we are planning for that. So in our life, these things will come around. Suppose expense 50, car 10, child 10, child education 10, child marriage 10, and retirement 20. So it will come around 1 crore. So minimum, a middle class and lower middle class family can plan for this much. So this is our future plan. So in our life, certain things will come which we will never plan, or which it will come without any planning, without any expectations. So I'll write it and explain you. Actually, as I mentioned there, something we will make it unplanned. It will come without any expectation, without any planning. So those things will come in our life, so that will spoil entire our planning and savings. So unplanned means health issues. We may predict, or we may assume this much will come, but nobody can assure how much expenses will be there. But for house around 50 lakh, education 10 lakh, marriage 10 lakh, and retirement 20 lakh, that we have calculated, that will come, and within that only we can manage. But health, we don't know how to manage and how much expenses will come. So that is purely unplanned. So any health issues will come, so we have to compromise our dreams for house, dreams for children's education, dreams for children's marriage, dreams for our car, dreams for our retirement. All these things we have to compromise. Because of these health issues, whatever we have saved for these plans, we have to compromise. So our dreams may get affected. Because of that, we may come in depression. We may spend more. Family also, some depression things will come, and slowly so many family issues will come one by one. So this is purely unplanned, because we cannot predict and we cannot calculate how much will come and how much will be the medical expenses and all. So for that, we have to plan now. Suppose we are saving 10,000 rupees per year. 10,000 rupees per year means if you save for 10 years, we will be saving only 1 lakh. So definitely in the current scenario, no medical expenses will come within 1 lakh. Definitely it will be 10 times more or 20 times more. Suppose we are saving 10,000 per month. So yearly 1 lakh 20. So 10 years means 12 lakh. So we are saving for 10 years and we are saving only 12 lakh. in 10 years so many medical issues will come for ourselves and family that we will not be able to afford this 12 lakh also. And definitely whatever we have saved for this plan also, from that money we have to compromise here. So now main thing I wanted to tell all of you is, we have to plan accordingly. We have to make one health insurance. See, main objective or main motive of the health insurance is to protect our health issues. To protect our health issues, I'll write it here and explain you once again. See, health insurance. See, health insurance main objective is to protect. Suppose medical expenses will come around 15 lakh. We no need to spend 15 lakh for this. We have a health insurance of 15 lakh, we are paying premium up to 10 to 20,000 maximum. So this much premium we are paying only to protect our health insurance or health cover of this much of expenses. So this is what I wanted to discuss all of you. Normally anything happen to us, any medical issues happen to us, we cannot afford. Even if we are saving some amount every month or every year, that also not enough for our medical expenses. So we have to take adequate health insurance to protect our health issues, including our family health expenses. So this is what we can do it, so that our dream part, that 5 part we have mentioned already, the dream part, that will not get affected, and we are not going to compromise that dream part. So this is the things, and in case you have any doubt or any queries regarding this, you can contact me. I can discuss all of you. Thank you.